to this special broadcast of the Global Wealth Trade Phase 3 Launchpad. Launchpad is all about taking you to tremendous success and achieving everything you want with your Global Wealth Trade business. My name is Sean Haynes, Ambassador with Global Wealth Trade. It's going to be my pleasure to share this information with you. So welcome to the Launchpad Rewards program, where the destination is high rewards, high profits, constant fun, and lifelong prosperity. It's a journey of simple steps that will lead you to quick gratification toward that lifelong prosperity, living the dreams that you've always envisioned. And the key word is vision. From day one in Global Wealth Trade, it's all about the vision of what you want to achieve. So let's go to the first step of this fun, rewarding, and profitable journey. And the path to your dreams is as simple as ABCD. So let's launch into the prosperity journey. So as we said, it's as simple as ABCD. We're going to start by completing the A section of this journey. You're now on the launch pad, and before you take off, you must identify the fastest way to your prosperity destination. Now, for most people, earning a six-figure income provides prosperity and freedom, as they can quit their job, upgrade their lifestyle, and spend more quality time with their loved ones. So in GWT, we call this the 10K plan. And the Launchpad is designed to provide fun and simple directions to work towards your 10K plan with lightning speed. So most of the following targets are designed to be achieved within 90 days or less. However, there are significant bonuses and incentives for those high achievers who reach the following targets within 30 days. So let's get ready for takeoff. Step A is all about becoming a diamond. When you become a diamond, you maximize your earning potential and buying power with Global Wealth Trade. Now, there's 5 ways to achieve becoming a diamond, and we're going to take you through the 5 ways to achieve this target. Now, the first way is the simplest. Start as a diamond virtual designer mall owner, $3,099 Canadian. Day number 1, you've immediately put yourself in the driver's seat for maximum success in Global Wealth Trade, shining like a diamond, and you're ready to go towards that 10K plan. Now, we know that in many markets, there's challenges where people, for whatever reason, they can't start as a diamond day number 1. Or you can start as a gold virtual designer mall, $1,599 Canadian. You simply launch 2 new virtual designer malls. Now, these must be silver virtual designer malls or higher that you launch. You launch 2 virtual designer malls within your first 30 days. Congratulations, you've just become a diamond. Now, if you couldn't start as a gold, you start as a Plankston, $799 Canadian. You launch 4 new virtual designer malls. Again, malls must be silver or higher within your first 30 days. Congratulations, you're now a diamond. Number 4, you start as a silver virtual designer mall owner, $499 Canadian. You launch 6 new virtual designer malls within your first 30 days. Congratulations, you're now a diamond. And step 5, start as a retailer, $169 Canadian. Launch 8 new virtual designer malls within your first 30 days. You're now shining bright like a diamond. Congratulations. Again, those 8 malls must be silver virtual designer malls or higher. So you've just maximized your earnings potential by as much as 10 times, as well as increase your buying power by as much as 40%. Of course, we have the incredible Diamond Challenge double IA bonus. So again, if you've achieved diamond within 30 days from your join date, we will double the products of the package you have purchased. So if you start as a diamond, you got $22.50 goes into your inventory account, plus your Posh for All kit. You now get a bonus $22.50. Of course, you joined as a diamond. That would happen immediately for you. Or you can always start at another package and pay the difference to upgrade to diamond within your first 30 days and still take advantage of that. If you start as a gold, $750 plus your Posh for All kit, you enrolled your way up to diamond, you get a bonus $750, so you end up with $1,500. Plankston, $187.50 plus your Posh for All kit. Again, you enrolled 4, got your way up to diamond, you got a bonus $187.50, so you have $375. Silver, you start with your Posh for All kit, $500 of our beautiful Posh products. You enroll 6, get yourself to diamond, you get $150 bonus from the company. Retailer, you enroll 8, you get all the benefits of being a diamond. Absolutely incredible. At the end of the day, you can have a total diamond package retail value of up to $9,500 of products if you started as a diamond, or you pay the difference to go to diamond in your first 30 days. Now, once you become a diamond, next step is to become a diplomat. Now, how do you become a diplomat as you move towards your ultimate prosperity destination? Very simple. It's a business of duplication. So you just became a diamond. Now you help 3 people to achieve the diamond status. That makes you a diplomat. When you achieve the diplomat level, you receive up to $11,000 in rewards. Upon the right qualification, these rewards include team commissions, team bonuses, wholesale profit, the Diamond Challenge product bonuses, plus receive the Diplomat International Recognition Bundle and other incentives. Now we have an incredible Diplomat Challenge double cash bonus, which is up to $12,500 in rewards. So if you achieve becoming a diplomat within your first 30 days, you will actually get a free $100 of GWT promo material to use for building your business, and you get double your binding commissions, earning up to $2,000 in a cash bonus over your commissions if you've achieved that within your first 30 days. Absolutely incredible. Now, once you've done that, your next step is to become an ambassador. How do you become an ambassador? You launch 10 virtual designer malls. You help 3 of them to do what you just did, which is to become diplomats. So you're seeing this as a business of duplication. You help other people achieve what you achieve, and it helps you to go to another level. So again, those 10 virtual designer malls must be at least silver virtual designer malls. Now, in becoming an ambassador, you achieve the ambassador status. You receive up to $16,500 in rewards. Upon the right qualifications, these rewards include team commissions, team bonuses, wholesale profits, the Diamond Challenge product bonuses, the Diplomat Challenge bonus, plus receive the Ambassador International Recognition Bundle and other incentives. And then we have the unbelievable Ambassador Challenge. We call this the Dream Fairy Lux package, up to $26,500 in earnings, product bonuses, and incentives. Achieve Ambassador within 30 days from your join date, and you receive the Dream Fairy Lux Shopping Spree package, which is valued at $10,000 retail value. Wow, wow, wow. Incredible. Now, once you've become ambassador, now you want to move towards the 10K plan. And how you do that, again, it's all about duplication. Now you help 7 people in your team become qualified ambassadors, and that will generate over $140,000 in sales per month. So 7 qualified people in your team, help them become ambassadors, and now as a qualified ambassador, you'll receive over $10,000 a month in commissions and bonuses. So you've helped others to duplicate what you've done, and now your reward is you become part of the 10K club, earning $10,000 per month in commissions and bonuses. Absolutely fantastic. And then it's all about creating that 7-figure plan, the power of duplication. So Global Wealth Trade, we have a very powerful plan here. You know what? You refer 5 people, help them to launch their virtual designer malls. Those 5 follow your lead. Those 5 follow your lead. So, 5 becomes 25, becomes 125. Now, with just 125 people in your organization, they were putting in 150 into their monthly IA. That's up to $13,500 Canadian dollars a year of ongoing residual income. Just think about that. In your job, did you ever get a pay raise of $13,500 a year? That duplication continues now with 625-year organization. You're looking at up to $67,500 Canadian a year. Now in Canada, that's the combined income of a middle-class family today in Canada. That duplication continues with 3,125 people in your organization, you're looking at up to $337,500 a year. I mean, you're well in the top 5% of income earners in the entire world. And as the duplication continues, $15,625 in your organization, you're looking at up to $1.687 million a year of ongoing residual income year after year in the top 1% of income earners in the world. You completely transform your life with a 7-figure plan, power of duplication. Simply started, you helped 5 people to launch their virtual designer malls, created duplication, and now that true financial freedom is yours. You've achieved a 10K plan, 7-figure plan with Global Wealth Trade. The sky is the limit. Get ready for your next level of success. I'm Sean Haynes, Ambassador of Global Wealth Trade. Thank you for joining us on the Launchpad. We'll see you at success.